Well, hello friends and welcome back to my channel. We are going back out to the garden for one of the last times. It is almost time to clean it up. Well, no, it's time to clean it up. We've got sweet potatoes to harvest. It has been raining literally for the last almost 2 weeks, so I haven't actually been out. So we might have some things to harvest, and it's literally just generally time just to clean it up. The tomatoes are done now, so it's time to pull all of those out. And we actually have a bunch of loofahs. We'll get into it, but first let me go spray myself down with a little bit of off because like I said, it's been raining so much that there are so many mosquitoes. I'm not trying to get bit today. So, hold on. I'll be right back. Let's get started. I need to have gotten some garden boots, but it is what it is. Look at him. Alright, let's see what we got. Yes, we do have a little bit of harvesting to do. Shockingly, we were still producing strawberries, which is very odd for now. Good. I see these are ripe. Ooh, like I said, it's time to clear this sucker up. We got some mint. We have all of the runners from the strawberries, which I am going to just cut those off and cut it all down. Tomatoes. How are the tomatoes looking? Like they tired and then it's been raining too much. Yep, they unsplit. Like I said, this is the ugly garden tour today. Got a little bit of basil going on over there, which is good. Let's see. Generally, we're just going to pull it all. I do see some basil. I do see some green peppers over here that I think that we can salvage. I'll put on some gloves and we can do that. We got my geraniums that's looking pretty decent. Ooh, look at all of the red peppers we got. So we got some peppers to harvest. Bell pepper. These are banana peppers here that's ready to be harvested. And generally, like I said, things are just ready to fall down. They have been destroyed in the last, how long has it been? 2 weeks? I neglected this thing. I won't lie. I didn't come out here. It was raining. I wasn't doing it. So it is time to clean up the forest. Look at this. See the forest? It's time to clean it up. I see some tomatoes, but they look like they pretty much have either been eaten or split. Thanks to all of the rain. Yeah, a lot of it just looks split. And then for some reason, the loofah now, at the end of the season, decided to take over and grow. Is that a zucchini? Oh, no, we might got a loofah that might be dying. That might be a good thing. Look like I still got some loofah, but I also, that's loofah right there. But it's looking like I also have some cucumbers in the mix. So that kind of sucks, but good gracious, look at that loofah. You see that? Crazy. Wow. I've never grown loofah before, so I was trying to let that grow while understanding that the rest is dying. Ooh, the purple basil looks good. So we're going to throw some gloves on and we're going to get out of here. Lord, I think I see. Can you see it? A watermelon right next to my cantaloupe. So let's see. I can't see. It's too sunny. There's the cantaloupe. And come down. There's the watermelon. A mess. All right. And then on this side is all of the sweet potatoes. So we have sweet potatoes here. These are supposed to be like the white sweet potatoes. Tomato plants that need to come out. And then these right here are the regular sweet potatoes that we all know. I think it's called like Bordeaux, something. I don't know. Bergen, Bordeaux. I don't remember what the name of it is. But, and something has been digging in there. Oh, no. So yeah, it's time to get these out because something's been digging in my sweet potatoes. And the last thing I want is for them, the critters, to get my sweet potatoes before I get them. You know? All right, let's clean this up. I'm sorry, I went live with TikTok for a little bit, and I don't know if you saw that, but you probably did catch some of that. But I tried to go live with TikTok for my first time. Here you go. Can you take that to Daddy? Thank you. We've gotten some stuff done because I forgot about y'all afterwards. Let me clean this off. It looks like you're dirty. There you go. Can you see me now? Hey. There you go. Is that better? Can you see me? So we went live with TikTok for a little bit. I don't know if you saw me over here with the garden stool. And then it just folds. Do the other one. Again, take it, squeeze it, fold it down. And then what's nifty about it is it becomes its own little carrying handle. So you can carry it around the garden. You can take it around with you. It actually is pretty darn light. It's probably like 5 pounds. So anybody can use it if needed. And then to open it back up, just pull it up. It locks into place. And then you can use it both ways. You can either use it on this side or you can use it on this side. If you use it on this side, you'll sit up. There you go. You'll sit up. And then if you use it on the other side, then you can kneel into your garden bed. But I do love that garden stool, and that's true. Here's the garden stool that I was talking about. Can you see that? There you go. I got that off of TikTok, and that was so like a clutch. I really wish I had got it at the beginning of the season, but it is what it is. So here's what we got so far. The one Gardening Minutes bed is all cleared out for the most part. I left all my peppers there for now, but I probably will still take those out as well. We got a little bit of sage over there. Like down here, I'll show you. So right here we got sage. We got a little bit of basil. These are my peppers that did not do well. Even though I got some lunchbox peppers over on that side that need to come out. Yes, and then we have more basil. Other than that, and this. Let me put my gloves back on. But all of the tomato is out of here. Over here, which was a hot mess because I did take you to on a tour first. We got this mostly cleared out now. There's a bug on you. There's a bug on you. So this is mostly cleared out now. As you can see, we're doing well. We're making time and traction. But look, I got a loofah over there. The loofah has gone exploded. Like it's gone, the loofah itself has gone crazy and exploded. Like I got loofah over there. There is a spider on my camera. Sorry. I wasn't gonna be able to look at you the same after the spider stayed on you too long. We're about the little girl who will not change her clothes. I told her get out of her pajamas and she'd be all right. But no, she want to be outside in her pajamas. Anyway. It's such a nice day today. What happened? Well, it is muddy. It's been raining for 2 weeks. Aww. Well, it happened. She doesn't like muddy shoes. Bless her heart. Well, get up. Guess what? Now your pajamas are dirty. Why? Because you're all in your pajamas and that's what you're not doing. These shoes, I tell you. Look at that! I can see over here! You can see clear to the other side of the garden right now. Look at that! Wow! Woo. We've forgotten how much we missed the light. Is that purple right there? How in the world is it here? Get through the terrain. This loofah is ridiculous. Bye-bye. Ooh, that's sweet potato. Oh, yes, though. Bye-bye. This is good. Oh, if you don't know already, tuck your gloves. Tuck your gloves. Ooh. Oh, there's a gourd in there. Not a gourd, there's a loofah in there. The loofah is just gone crazy. need to take a break. Did you say no? Good job. These three have just intertwined so much. So much. See if I can take it to the other side if you can see a little better. You hot? Sure, baby. I can use a break myself. This is what we have so far. Mostly green, but I think we can have some that can go in there in a bag and probably will turn. But that's what we have so far.